All right, so today I'm going to be showing you this 30 amp surge protector for your camper, your RV, your pull behind, your fifth wheel. If you have a 30 amp circuit in your pull behind in your camper, then this is going to be something that is going to be very, very handy for you. If you do happen to have a 50 amp circuit in your camper, your trailer, whatever you're using, then you can use an adapter and adapt this down, or you can just purchase a 50 amp surge protector. Now, what this is going to do is it's not going to tell you about the wiring in your camper. This is actually going to diagnose the wiring at the power supply. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug this into the power supply where you would typically plug your camper into the power supply. We're going to plug this into the power supply, and then we're going to plug the camper into here. But we're not going to plug the camper into here until we have 2 green lights. Now, this is going to come in most useful in extreme conditions. For example, it's about 100 degrees today. My air conditioner is running all day long, so I just want to make sure that I'm not pulling too much current. Also, if there was a storm outside and the power supply could be affected, and when that power supply is affected, it could affect your camper. So this is going to catch that. It's going to blow the fuse here before it does something inside your camper. So again, super handy. It is a waterproof design, and it does also have an anti-theft device, so you can chain this or lock this to the actual power supply. So what we're going to do is we're going to go outside, we're going to plug this in, and what we hope to see is 2 green lights up here at the top. If not, we're going to have a green light and a red light, and we have several different diagnoses right here as to what the problem can be. Because this is a state park, I am assuming that we're going to get 2 green lights with this, and we need to get this out there, get it set up, get it going so I can turn my air conditioning back on. So it does come with these protective covers, and we're going to go outside now, plug this in, and see what we've got. Okay, so this is the camp power supply that I was talking about, and here I have a 30 amp and a 50 amp power supply right here. So what we're going to do is unplug the 30 amp. This is to my camper. We're going to plug in the surge protector, and on the surge protector, what we have, if you can get right in here, you can see we got 2 green lights. Power's on, 2 green lights, so we are good to go. Now, one thing I did not mention in the camper is the good handle here, so that when you're done for the camping weekend, you can use that to pull the plug out. Because this is a good plug, we're going to go ahead and get everything going here, get our camper plugged back in. And we're going to go inside, going to make sure that we've got air. All right, I know that you can't see it, but surely you can hear it. Air conditioning is running in the camper, which means that everything is good with that surge protector. I think that it's super important for everybody to use a surge protector, whether you're camping, whether you're at home, no matter what you've got going on. You want to protect your property, and you always want to be prepared just in case of storms, overusage, so that you don't damage any of your own personal products. Surge protector is definitely going to do that. Up to 10,000 joules for 30 amp RVs.